Continuing with our use of reference managers, is there a method where we can do all these reference management without installing any of these managers in the laptop or PC? Answer is yes. You can go to Google Drive and straight away start writing your scientific paper. Click on the new and start with a new Google document. Once you click on the new Google document, it will open an empty document here in the Google Drive itself. All changes, whatever you do here, will be saved in the Google Drive. You can give the document title. I will continue with my previous research, that is anatomy of tongue. So the Google documents will give wide array of the plugins which can be used for almost anything in desktop publishing. So I'll be giving a title as anatomy of tongue and press enter. It will automatically save here. In the introduction, I will use almost the same sentences here. That is, anatomy of tongue differs in resting and speaking position. Now I want to use the same references here. Now for that I will go to the tools. I will go to the add-ons and get add-ons. Here in the add-ons, I will use any of the references managers. Now if I click reference managers here, it will show lot of reference managers. All these things are the reference managers. Now I will click on the paper file, which I felt quite easy for using. Now once I click on this paper file, it will ask for permissions to be used to use it. So I will give permission to be used. So once the permission is given, then I can see that the add-on is already added into my Google Drive document. You can see that add-on here in the add-ons. Now if I click on the manage citations in the paper file, it will add a manage citation window here on the right side. Now it has got a Google search bar here. If I click here, the same thing, whatever I click, I type in Google Scholar anatomy of tongue. It will search almost in the same way in the Google Scholar. I will just refine my search here by using ultrasound, because the study which I have found earlier is an ultrasound study. Okay. Now I got my site, my article here. Now I'll click the cursor where I want to insert, and I will choose the Vancouver here by clicking on citation style and typing Vancouver superscript. Vancouver superscript here, and click on save. Now I will use this particular article in my article and click on cite. Once I click here and update citations and bibliography, now it will automatically it has to automatically take the entire metadata associated with that article into my Google Drive and cite here.